Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u. The s over s we change for the u. The integration of this one we have Fn of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about f and s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.